Ow! Yeah. We will call this an episode. There's like a bunch of shit here I can blow up. Planes. Okay. All right. Before we take a break. Whoops. Before we take a break, I'm gonna steal one of these planes for a joyride because reasons. Yellow and red plane or the white plane? Yeah, that's not really a question, is it? Yellow and red. Naturally.
Oh, looks like they don't want me here.
Oh yeah. Joyride. This is just too fun. I could just play the game for this, you know, just flying around. It really is enjoyable. Since Nintendo just basically refuses to give me a current generation Pilot Wings. Till then, I gotta create my own flying fun. What a huge landmass, too. And there's so much area to explore. It's such a huge game. God, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. So much detail. Such a huge area. Just give me a Pilot Wings here. You know, goddamn. Fuck fucking Nintendo, I swear to fucking Christ. Give me another goddamn pilot wings.
This area is restricted.
Hey, what's the
Leave
matter,
immediately.
guys? We are sending ground support to your location.
Ground support is not going to do you much good, buddies.
Additional troops inbound.
Oh,
Target lost.
now this just completely makes up for any kind of frustration from, you know, having to do escort missions and timed missions. This absolutely makes up for it right here.
Support inbound. Hang in there, ground team.
I absolutely love just the sensation of flight.
Plan out and search.
Wonderful.
This is dispatch. Sending ground reinforcements to your position. All units, find the rebel. Pursue aggressively.
Wish I had an altimeter.
Target escaped. Resume normal patrol.
I think I want to jump from this plane here. Wingsuit down into that lake. What do you think? Why not? Whoosh. Fuck that lake. See if we can make it to one of these others over here. There goes my plane. God, that looks like fun. It's so relaxing and still fun. I mean, you know, it might be boring to watch this, but it's really enjoyable to be at the controls. It's just serene, you know, and it's normally you don't want that in a video game. Normally that's bad, that's boring, but this is just bliss. Until I get a real pilot wings with the wingsuit. This is going to be as close as I get to just free flight. the graphics are beautiful. My God, the fucking mountains, distant vistas, just incredible to look at. And there have been some minor nuisances. So some of the load times are kind of annoying. Some of the like missions are kind of mission structure, like escort missions and time missions and shit, are kind of a pain in the ass. But overall, and the game is so colorful, so beautiful, so huge, so much to do. Just the traversal from one area to the next, it's so fun. Just getting around. It's just an absolute blast. It's almost 4 minutes of wingsuit time.
Bring everything you got.
This is HQ. We have boats en route to your location. We are sending naval support to your location.
Awesome. I have no idea where I am, but that was just fucking fun as shit. Good lord, that rules.
All units on alert. Re-establish
The level of
visual
detail
contact.
across this much surface area is just insane. It's absolutely insane. No idea how they did that shit. Alright, well, that really is it. We'll call it there.
Search protocol. Find the
That's a
target
stream.
as soon as possible.
Join me for the next episode, and thanks for watching.